everybody. Hi. Finally, we're here. Thank you for being patient. Sorry it took me so long to be here. Every year for the last 9 years, lagi mong tinatanong kung papakasalan kita. Yes naman ang laging sagot ko. Tinatanong mo kung kailan, and my answer is always, next year na lang. And finally, this is the year. Muntik pang maging next year.
Nice. Celeste, do you take Angelo, who you now hold by your hands, to become your lawful wedded husband?
Yes, I do. We've been through more than I could have imagined, and we lived through joys of starting our own family. The sleepless nights na ako lang pala, kasi hindi mo kaya magpuyat. The challenges of balancing work and parent life, and the little moments of our life together. We've seen each other at our best and at our worst, and we survived lahat ng problemang mag-partner sa tingin ko. And that sometimes made it feel like we couldn't possibly go on. But here we are, stronger than ever, with our 2 beautiful children, and a love that's deeper than before.
Over my heart and breathing my lungs. It's already yours, love, take all that you want. All of my body, all of my blood. It's already yours, love, take all that you want.
Nice. And Angelo, make your romance on fire. Lifetime. Sabi ng Lord, humayo kayo at magpakarami. That lifetime satisfy the needs of each other. When I say satisfaction, it's not just only physically, huli na yon, but mentally, emotionally, and most importantly, spiritually. Sa hirap, sa ginhawa, sa sakit, sa kalusugan, at sa anumang bagay, katagumpayan at pagsubok ng buhay. Harapin at gawin ito ng may pagmamahal. Lagi tandaan, sa inyong dalawa, maging matapat kayo una sa Diyos. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the doors will open. If you always do that, the Lord's promise, He will meet all your needs according to His riches and glorious power through Christ Jesus.
I love you from the bottom of my heart. Mahal kita, Mami, mula ulo. Ikaw pa? Ipinapangako ko sa'yo na sa'yo lang titibok ang puso ko. Hanggang sa huling pintig dito. Close your eyes.
I know that it hasn't always been easy, but we had our share of misunderstandings, mga away, and moments where it felt like hindi tayo magkakampi. I'm sorry. But through it all, we've chosen to fight for each other and for the family we created. We've grown together and have seen us become better version of ourselves. I vow to continue to work through our challenges, to always come back to you, with an open heart when life pulls us apart. I promise to give you the space to be yourself, but always to be there when you need me. I know we are stronger together than we are apart, and I will never stop fighting for this love and for our family.
We'll run this race as fast as we can, over and over, your hand in my hand, as we face forever.
Just say I do if you agree. Do you take nice Celeste? Will you now hold my hands to become your lawful wedded wife?
I do. Hindi ako magsasawang intindihin at unawain ka. Mamahalin kita ngayon, bukas, at maging sino ka man. Hindi ako mapapagod pagsilbihan ka at protektahan ka. Lastly, iuukol ko ang buong buhay ko para sa'yo. Ngayon, bukas, at magpakailan pa man. I love you.
It's always been as we grow in age, and time has proved.
I promise to support you in the ways you need, even finding the things that's already in front of you. To put the dirty clothes in the laundry basket and to remind you to flush the toilet. Sorry. I vow to listen when you feel unheard and to encourage you when you doubt yourself. I vow to continue to put in the effort to make this relationship a priority, to not take it or take our love for granted, and to create a future for our children that's full of same love, respect, and happiness that we share.
It's always been you. It's been you.
And finally, I vow to love you truly, deeply every day. For every challenge, every victory, and every change, I will choose you. I will always choose you. And I will be here by your side, always and forever. Mahal na mahal kita.
It's been